Hello from beautiful Buffalo, New York. Today, let's try the old classic Kleenex box with a piece of tissue sticking out. Started out with a underpainting, and there it is. Looks pretty good. Maybe I should have stopped right there. I love that little area where the little white peeks through, and let that dry, and on to the next stage. Here we're trying to do a background. I painted water all over the background area, and then slowly added various colors. I really like that little square there and this little area here. It really helps it pop. I'm using a Treckle number 6 now, a slightly smaller brush. Try to hint and indicate some details and hopefully achieve depth and translucence. Moving along fine, kind of a rabbit hole, the tissue itself, and that's about what I ended up with.